Hey folks, how are you? Steve Konorzeski, owner of Squeegee Clean, and we're going to discuss our commercial pressure washing services. We have the means and capabilities to service any basic commercial location. We specialize in doing flat work, which is sidewalks, parking lots, so on and so forth. We also could do facades, whether they be brick, split face block, stone, drive it, stucco, whatever it may be, vinyl siding, whatever it could be. We have the accessibility and capability to produce hot water on site. We have hot water machines which basically get up to about 200 to 220 degrees. Our gallons per minute range anywhere from 3 up to 6. We have surface cleaners, and we also do lance and freehand work. We have the availability to apply chemicals and detergents which aid especially in high traffic areas such as pizza places and fast food restaurants, which tend to track the grease in and out. So we do have that capability. As far as facades go, and yeah, the fronts and sides of the building, especially with split face block, I get a lot of calls in regards to that. Split face block. It will hold up well over a very long time, but once it gets dirty, it really gets dirty and it's really noticeable. It will get moldy and mildewy and whatnot. And I've had a lot of property managers and people just ask me about why the block is turning white. That's actually an issue with moisture. Somewhere along the lines, normally of course from up above, there is moisture that's seeping into the block, and it only has one thing to do. Once it gets into the block, it has to get out. So basically once the moisture is in, it then enacts with all of the calciums and the minerals that are in the block, and then it begins to leach out. And you can get a couple different white substances. One's actually like a powdery. The other one actually kind of looks like calcium stains, calcite, effervescence. There's a couple different things. I can go on and on about it. But anyway, we do have the availability and capability to remove that from the block in a detergent and low pressure wash, because you don't actually shouldn't be using any high psi against the block, because as always, as you're forcing the water into it, especially if it is porous or the joints are loose or anything like that, the water will only have to come out, and that will defeat the purpose from trying to remove that. So if any of these services that we just discussed are you're in need of, please give me a call and or an email. I'd be happy to speak with you personally. And as always, have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you for viewing, and take care.